Right, this Hyundai i20 2010-2009 is smoking a lot. So there's a lot of smoke coming out the exhaust pipe, especially when first starting up when it's cold. So a number of things. I think this car has been taken for service, and it's one of those situations where they take it in for service, they don't do anything, send you back out, you know. Basically bad garages. Check things to check. Air filter has been changed. That looks reasonably clean. However, something's not good. They've lost one of the clips. You see the retaining clips? So you're not going to get a good seal on your air if you've got one missing, right? So this is how it's meant to be. You know, they're not meant to come off. If you really shove it, it will come off. So whoever changed the oil, the air filter, lost one of the clips. It could be down here, right in there. Don't know, can't see it. So I'm gonna have to use maybe like a cable tie to tighten it up. It's got to be tight. It's got to be tight. You can't neglect things like that if you're servicing. So I'm gonna clean the MAFS sensor. So on this car, I just undid that, and then unplug this, undo these two bolts, and then I will just clean the MAFS sensor. Other things I'm going to do for this car is change the oil, change the oil filter, and I am going to hopefully hope for the best. He really needs to put a bottle of injector cleaner down it as well, so I may get him a bottle of injector cleaner, diesel injector cleaner, clean out the injectors. There's a few things definitely needs doing to improve the smokiness of this car. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. Oh, you need electronic circuit cleaner to clean the MAFS sensor. Usually spray it on, I'll show you what it is. In the UK, this is the stuff that's going around, electrical contact cleaner. Be careful, it's not contact cleaner as such. There's something called contact cleaner. That's an oily substance. This is purely, smells like a funny alcohol. It dries almost immediately. This is stuff you need. I might show you a picture of it. But that's what I'm going to spray the MAFS sensor after I take it out with to get rid of that. So it's not, he doesn't need an air filter, but he needs to seal off this air box. That's not going to help. Now we can look inside, and it is absolutely filthy. There it is, more where my finger's edge is near the base. See it? Tiny little resistor, hard to see. Just down there. I'm going to get some in this hole here near the top, that shaft. So it's near where my finger is there. Might not be able to see it because it's pretty mucky. Right,